Horses out. God is good. Pass to begin. Moving up the Ori outside is Premier Rank. And in third, moving up by the rail as time goes by. Barang Bukid comes next. In the middle is Queen Josephine running by the rail. Sovereign Dancer, Trouble Master. And Ride the Lightning in that order. And going along for the first turn, Premier Rank by about 2 lengths. God is good is right behind in second. Moving up on the outside now is as time goes by. And on the outside also Barang Bukid. Queen Josephine comes next. Sovereign Dancer, Trouble Master. And Ride the Lightning now running last as they swing down the bank. And it's still Premier Rank by about 2 lengths. Batang Bukid still in second. And in third as time goes by. Sovereign Dancer now coming closer on the outside. Look who's finds an opening down on the inside. And that's Queen Josephine to take third. And in sixth position, that is good. And it's still Premier Rank, Barang Bukid. Queen Josephine is on the outside. Sovereign Dancer is racing in for Trouble Master as they come to the last 200. Dalit now belongs to Queen Josephine by Orolengay Hapa. And on the outside moving up Trouble Master, Barang Bukid. Last 100 meters of the race. And it's still Queen Josephine, Trouble Master. But it's still Queen Josephine, Trouble Master.
Sa opening down the inside, yung pala yun. Nagulat ako eh.
Pero alam mo, coach, tingin ko na abutan.
Ganon?
Oo. Pero kung sino man yung winner, eto yung quarters niya, 8.5, 25, 26.5, 29 for a total of 1 minute 39 seconds para sa 1,500 meters.
So, hawak lang po muna tayo sa ating mga tickets. May close finish tayo between 7 and 8.
For first place.
Oo, mukhang may photo tayo. Unang bumabalik yung kalahok numero 7. Yan, no?
Kung kailan patapos na yung karera natin ngayong gabi.